Welcome. This is Purpose Creation. We are going to learn another interesting hairband. This hairband is called twisted hairband. It's either twisted or cross hairband, whichever way you want to call it. It's very simple and easy to make. Once you get hold of a piece of cloth, you can do it. So this is our piece of cloth, our elastic band, tailor's chalk, scissors, tape measure, and our safety pin. Let's get started. We are going to cut out our fabric. First of all, we will cut the bigger fabric. We are cutting 18 by 6. I think my chalk and the fabric color are almost the same, so I'm using pen to do the marking. So that's my 6-inch, and I'll measure the 18. So this is 2 of the 18 by 6 inches. We are cutting the smaller one, that is 3 by 11. So we just go ahead and we'll cut our elastic band as well. That one is 5 inches. So 5. I'm going to sew it all round. I'm going to sew it all round. I'll be back. We are done sewing. We are coming to turn our fabric inside out. After that, we will iron them out. We will iron our fabric out. You see, this is the seam. We will not let it go to the end, but rather in the middle. So you see where the the seam is. The same applies to the elastic. We are coming to apply our elastic band. This is our elastic. Then you see where the 2 seams are. You fold one like this, then you cross it with the other one. We are coming to apply our elastic band. Just put the elastic band on top, then you fold this top, then you sew this side. The same thing applies here. You fold it on, then we see. So I'm going to sew it and come. By the time I'll be back, I'll be done with the whole thing, then I'll show you the end products. This is what we have after sewing. So you see where we are just, you would push it in. Do same for the other side. And twisted hairband is ready. Ta-da! Thanks for watching. Hope you really enjoyed yourself. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you. Bye bye.